Hey guys, it's VertiBlocks Gaming here, and today we're doing another video on Phantom Forces. She didn't have a choice.
Yes, she did.
No, she did not. I asked her if she wanted to. She said whether she wanted to or not, Alba was going to take her.
Well, that's not what I understood. Anyway, don't stop arguing.
Okay, we're doing a sniper challenge today.
Well, it'll work out some way or another.
Ah! Oh my gosh, I am not doing good today. 5 deaths, 0 kills.
Hi, sweetie. Oh, good.
Oh. What are you doing?
Pushing it back
Pushing back where?
against the wall.
It's already against the wall.
No, it wasn't. He's oblivious. No, he isn't.
No, I'm really not.
But he doesn't. Don't look at him. He doesn't want to do what we're asking him to.
Yeah, because I have to get this video recorded. Okay.
Right? Huh? You could.
Done. No! Oh my gosh, I have not got a single death this whole entire time. Not death, sorry, kill. Way different things.
I could do this. I could do that tomorrow. What? The same thing. What, play this game? No, the same thing you just showed me. Oh. I'm getting a sore throat. Huh?
No!
Uh-oh.
Are you flipping?
Yeah. No, you're not. It's an illusion. Oh, okay. Good. Phew.
Okay, this is our side.
Right? I hope you're... Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, how do I work that? How's that work? I don't know. I just... Oh, you just know it's an illusion.
Okay. Over here.
Or...
One job.
Yeah. Okay.
Go left.
This is a great opportunity for me to figure out, learn how to do that. Well, I can tell you how I used to do it when I had the kids, and maybe you did that too, but I just said, I don't have time. Oh, yeah. Can't. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you got real sick, as I recall. Huh? And then you got real sick, as I recall. Oh, yeah. From time to time. But then I decided that I wanted to be sick so that I could shut down for a while. Yeah.
Okay, go to this.
This is somewhat of a violent game.
No, because there's no blood in it.
Well, that's just because they're not showing the blood. If you're killing people, there's got to be some blood, right? And what is that thing?
That's my screen recorder.
That thing.
That's my what? The watch thingy?
Yeah.
Shows which way you're pointing. It's meant to make it look like you're navigating. That arm tells you where it can spot enemies.
Okay.
Whenever you.
Excuse me. I gotta brush my teeth.
Ugh.
I really gotta find my floss.
There, got another kill.
So tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow's your big day, right?
Yeah. No, tomorrow's Friday. Saturday's my big day. Got you. Okay, now I'm doing good. Sorry about that, I'm not talking. I'm just trying to concentrate on this. Oh, yep, they just bought me. I have almost caught up to my deaths. I had 7 deaths, 1 kill. Now I have 8 deaths, 7 kills. Okay, this is not our side still. Okay. No! I wasn't even over there. That didn't make any sense. Okay, then. No, how that guy just sniped through that wall. I think this is the 3 terminal. Yeah, this isn't our side. Ow! I didn't realize I was getting closer up. I hate the machine gun guys now. I used to always use a machine gun and never use a sniper rifle, but I got really good at black scoping, which is using this default scope. If you guys want me to have an idea for a video, leave it down. People have been leaving me ideas for videos. Oh gee, I just nearly died. That was wait. This isn't our side. No wonder. That makes so much more sense now. It makes so much more sense. Oh, I thought there was somebody like behind me or something. That was pretty bad of a game. 7-10. I'm gonna get like 36. Yes, spotter keys. I think I have a spotter keys. Oh, that's not helpful. Actually, no, I can get spotter keys. Open case. Use key. Ugh, I'm hoping for that rare. So I can sell it for 20. Case can open. I buy a case for this. Purchase my uniform tickets. Oh, come on. Galactic case keys. Gonna get that because it's double the price of the thing. Wood case? How much is that? That's 200 too. Oh, 120 case. That's not either. Oh, looks like I'm gonna be doing this. This one. Buy that, and then buy case keys. Buy that. Okay, open this up. Oh, are you kidding me? I almost got the Steven DB one. That was so close. Okay, let's get back over to here. Boy. Okay, so now let's actually start with this challenge here. Challenge is no using secondary weapons and no hitting people. You can use the stick grenade to run, or any melee weapon to run, but you cannot attack with it. Only sniper rifle. This is gonna be quite hard. Ow. Scoping. Oh. Ah! I died. Get ready to lunge. Ugh. No! I jumped right in front of the wrong guy. I thought that was a teammate. I keep forgetting blue dots mean it's your teammate. No dot or a red dot means it's an enemy, not a teammate. Okay, run. Lunge. Ah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go up here. Snipe. Got you. Got you. It's what it's what you call quick scoping if you don't go in enough. Actually see this. You go like this. And don't actually go into the scope, so quick scoping. Okay. See you, guy. I look occasionally behind me.
Huh?
Are you kidding me? There's a guy right there. Now I'm on recording. You can wait a second. No. Come out here. Come out and play. Okay. Melee, yes, this. Actually, no, melee. Oh, jeez. No. I should have just used melee. I should have just ruined the challenge, but I didn't do it. 2-2. Deploy. Oh, why am I stuck to the wall? That was interesting. Go. Yeah.
There goes somebody.
Why am I moving around when I'm not moving? No, I can't dodge him. What the flip? That was really helpful. Whatever glitch that was. Ah! Wait, that was so confusing. Oh, the teammate was there. I didn't see the other guy. Unicorn Hawk guy. Escape or enter. Are you kidding me? Oh, what do you want there? Sounds. But. Oh, whatever. Okay, deploy. Sorry if I'm not commentating on the video, I'm just not paying attention. I'm trying to pay attention more so on the gameplay so I actually can get a good score. Ah! No. No! If I was just using secondary weapons, I would have killed them. Okay, yes, secondary weapon. I need it this once. There. That was to prevent me from dying. Oh, gun to that. Well, yes, taking that. That's a sniper rifle. I'm allowed to use that. Okay. Ah! Get up the ladder, get up the ladder. They know where I am. Ow! I forgot he could shoot through walls. That hurt. Okay. Where is he? See you guys. If you guys enjoyed this episode, leave a like on the video. If you guys are new, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below. See ya. Peace out.